To diced potatoes. 1 sliced onion. To diced carrots. 1 diced capsicum. Two cups of soaked rice for 15 minutes. 1 cup of cauliflower. 3 tsp of curd. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. 3 green chilies. 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Some chopped mint and coriander leaves. 2 sliced tomatoes. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt, red chili powder, chopped masala, coriander powder, cumin powder and half tsp of garam masala. Lemon juice. 1 tsp of pisan. 2 bay leaves, half tsp of shazira. 3 leg. 2 pieces of feta and pulao. Put the cooker on flame and add oil. Add diced potatoes. Fry them. Transfer the fried potatoes in a bowl. Fry the diced carrots. Add the fried carrots in a bowl. Fry the diced capsicum. Add them in a bowl. Boil the cauliflower for 5 minutes. Strain the water. Fry the boiled cauliflower. Add the fried cauliflower in a bowl. Heat some oil and add the sand. Roast it well. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and mix it. Add turmeric powder. Add salt. Add red chili powder. Add chaat masala. Add coriander powder. Add garam masala. Add cumin powder. Add roasted pisan and red chili mixture. Add curd. Add kasuri methi. Mix all the ingredients well. Place burning coal on the mixed veggies. Pour some oil on coal and cover with lid. Add some oil. Add whole garam masala. Add sliced onion. Stir fry. Add ginger garlic paste. Add green chilies and sliced tomatoes. Give a mix. Add salt as per taste. Add chopped mint and coriander leaves. Remove the smoky coal from the masala mixed veggies. Add mixed masala veggies. Mix it well. Add soaked rice. Slightly mix the rice. Add 3 glasses of water. Add lemon juice. Give a mix. Close the lid. Pressure cook for 3 whistles. Masala of egg pulao is done. Keep the smoky coal on the pulao and cover the to give a tandoor flavor. Remove the coal. Tasty tandoor masala of egg pulao is ready. Enjoy the tasty tandoori egg pulao. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.